Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to this wonderful channel. I just want to show you guys a lovely story today, or a lovely news. You know, there are some things we Nigerians supposed to something like learn, because not everybody you can just challenge about something. Nigeria heard that somebody was setting up a camp to break a record that another person have already broken. They were raining insult, challenge, you cannot do it, this and that, because they think that there are some things the first chef had than this other person don't have. For example, that's just so something like annoying. It was you Nigeria that even annoying this guy, or that gave this guy the enthusiasm or the intensity or the strength to break this record. Because it's not everybody you can just tell you cannot do this. No. Okay, let's look at it now. She have broken the record. She have broken the record. Okay, look at it. Let's see now. Look at it. They're already jubilating. She's already cooked hours. So you don't just how will I say it now? You don't just challenge anybody that you cannot do it. The person would rather die than not to do it. That's how the thing is. It's unfortunate. Alright, that is what we are saying. That is what we are saying. They are already jubilating now. That means the record has been broken. So next time, if you want to correct somebody, do it in a responsible way. Don't do it as mockery, to mock the person or to insult the person. Not everybody you can just insult and they just take it and give up. No, some persons you will insult. What they will do, they will pick that insult as a challenge and do the thing you said they cannot do. Either they do that thing or they die. It's not do or die affair. They will turn to do or die affair. That's what this girl did. I watched the girl when she was shaking, but she was still doing it. Her face was blunt. Was like somebody that sound like that. Sound like the person sound like the face was somehow she was still doing it. So my fellow Nigerians, let us learn how to correct somebody. You don't correct somebody by insult or the rest. Thank you. So that's how the thing is. Yeah, we are not against ourselves. So let's just learn how to correct people. Thank you.